everyone, it's Audrey from Mom Generation. So I was away for about a week and a half to 2 weeks, and the boxes are piled up in my house. So today I took the time to clean my office. So I'm in my office. I have my son filming me. William, say hey.
Hello.
Hello. So I'm going to open up the first box. This is going to be one of my unboxing videos. This is D-signed, only at Kohl's. On the bottom it says only at Kohl's, July 23rd. So just so we have a frame of reference, today is July 26th. So let me open this. What I really loved about it, which caught my attention, I'm going to hide my address right here, but it says Girl Meets World. Now I used to watch Boy Meets World all the time when I was a kid. I used to love that show. It's a little young for me.
Girl Meets World is the new Disney show that I watch all the time.
It's awesome, right? It's a new Disney show. And I used to watch, the thing is, William, is that her dad in the show was on a show when I was a kid called Boy Meets World.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so that's why, like, and her mother was his girlfriend when they were in, and it was like a show just like it is now, but it was back then. So I'm excited to see some fashions that, look at this, very cool. It's a D-signed Disney Girl Meets World, a collaboration, obviously, they're doing with Kohl's. So look at this cute little floral skirt. Love it. I wish my Victoria was old enough to wear this. And this is awesome. My nieces are going to love this. They're going to fight over who gets to get this one. Look at how cute this is. A cute little, like a sketch, right on just a cotton tee. D-signed, very cute. I love it. I did not know that actually Girl Meets World has a line, Riley Matthews and Maya Hart. I did not know that they had a line in Kohl's. So this is very cute. It says in the back, this collection is inspired by the confident, fearless styles of Riley Matthews and Maya Hart from Disney's Girl Meets World. So how cool is this? Now, especially being a mom of a little girl, I know the importance and the power of feeling confident and being fearless. And I love that they can now wear this fearlessness to some really cute clothes. So Kohl's, love it. Love this collaboration. Excited to see what else you guys have there.